Welcome to Practically Creative. Today, we're going to talk about felting. I've always had this felting kit. I have a Great Pyrenees, and she has beautiful fur. And in the spring, she sheds all that downy undercoat. And I thought, oh, I want to felt that into things. We'll do another video in the spring, and we'll felt something together. But in the meantime, how many of you have bought these dryer balls? You put them in your dryer, they tumble. It's a beautiful thing. Take away the static without the chemicals. Well, I also have Pitbull Mix, and he thinks the balls are really fun to grab out of the dryer, and then he chews on them. And this is what I end up with. So one day, my previous balls I've thrown out, but one day it dawned on me, I have felting needles. So maybe I would try those to fix the ball. So the kit, I don't even know remember where I got it from. I've had it in a drawer for years. It comes with a sponge that you can felt on. You have a selection of needles. I'm going to use the coarse needle because of what this is. It's not fine work. And it gives you some instructions, and that's all it is. So if you have dryer balls that your dogs chew up, it might be worth the investment. So basically, the only thing you do, very simple, I'm going to smooth the wool back out, and you just very carefully take your needle and push it in and out of the ball. You don't have to go that far because you're just, I can't look up because I don't want to stab my finger. These are very sharp. And so you just basically work your way through to tuck what your dog has pulled loose back into the ball. So that's what I'm going to do. We'll fast forward through a lot of this till the end. And there you have it. Your ball is all nice and smooth again. I concentrated around the edges to get that nice and smooth, and then I just did some in the middle to firm that back up again. So if you have dryer balls and dogs who like to pull them apart, you definitely need a needle felting starter kit. That's my tips and tricks for today. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. See you again. Bye.